Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we're going to quickly discuss how to set up Chowdeck as a shipping method on your Bumpa website. Now, with Chowdeck, you can actually do same-day deliveries in select cities, and it's possible to automate that on your Bumpa website. So when your customers go to your website and shop, they can see Chowdeck at the checkout and see that they can get same day delivery. So if this is an option that you want to provide for your customers without having to do so much mathematics or think about the logistics too much, you can just turn on Chowdeck and it is simply automated and your customers can get same day delivery. Now, before I show you what it looks like, let me show you what checkout looks like without Chowdeck or without automated shipping. So let's say we're here, we want to check out these products that we've just added to cart. As a customer, you come here to pick your shipping method. Now, this is what your customer will typically see. But when we add Chowdeck, they will see Chowdeck here as an option instead. So now let's go and set up Chowdeck and let me show you how it works. So to set up Chowdeck is very straightforward. First of all, just navigate to shipping here at the left side of your screen. So when you come to shipping, you're going to get to this dashboard. Then you come here to settings. And once you turn on automated settings, you will see the options for shipping integrations at the bottom of your screen. So you can either choose this or choose this, but for this video, we're choosing Chowdeck. And as you can see, it says fast, affordable, reliable, same-day deliveries in select cities. So now all you need to do is toggle it on and click on save. And that's it. So once your customers are shopping on your website, they can see Chowdeck as a delivery option. So now let's go and see what it looks like. Okay, so now we're back at checkout and we've added, an item to cart. We've added our delivery details. So once your customer clicks here, they will see Chowdeck as the shipping option because you have toggled that on. So they no longer see all of the previous shipping methods that you added. Now they can also see the shipping rate expiry time. So basically after this time, the shipping rate will change. And once they click on it, they can then proceed to make payments and they're good to go. So this helps you do same day delivery without you having to do anything manually. Once this order comes in, a Chowdeck rider will come to your store to pick up and then go deliver. And it's as simple as that. And that's how to set up Chowdeck as a shipping method on your Bumpa website. It's simple, it's straightforward, and very easy, and very, very useful. I'll see you in the next video where we'll be breaking down Shippable.